General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's get to go do the Saturday stuff. What do I put here in just New Year's? That way. Cause I ain't do these. So boom, boom. All right, all that's accounted for. Which models hit? Let's see. Was an interesting week. One side of the day. This is New York reversal. This is New York reversal. Discipline, patience, confident. Very patient. This week was holiday, low volume, so we know to wait for will be the correct term. A full trading week. Anything case study worthy? The way we consolidated on Tuesday, but nothing I can really see right off the back. The profit taking, but I logged that from last year, so I already had that. That's not new. Experience earned this week. conditions change. Next week, improvement focus. Still gonna be daily profiles. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Power of three charts. And we just need the one. Because we only watching NASDAQ. This is Interesting Monday. Previous week's EQ. Nothing too classic. I don't like this weekly profile at all. It's not no seek and destroy or anything. It's kind of end of the year. Hold on. Copy. Nothing about this delivery stands out. Seems just like end of year profit taking. Just like last year. Not no big notes or thoughts. Alright, cool. That's Saturday. Alright, y'all have a good day. Peace.